In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could share your own tuning setup here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is go to your garage, whether this is from your estate or the festival site, and you need to just open up your cars. So go to the cars tab up at the very top and then go to upgrade and tuning and create a setup by installing whatever upgrades it is that you might want. You can go into custom tuning, custom upgrading if you want. It's completely up to you, just your car settings. But once your tune is finished, what you need to do is go back to the upgrade menu, just like so. And this will look something just basic like this for you. And then you need to open up the setup manager. This is going to be like the view button on Xbox. I think it's like the screenshot button on PlayStation. Open that up and then you need to go ahead and select save setup. Enter in a name for this setup just like so. It doesn't really matter. Once it does save for you, it's going to give you the opportunity to, of course, add keywords, whatever it might be, a description. I'm just going to hit save just for the sake of this. And then essentially what you need to do after that is just make sure that you hit share setup and it'll go ahead and publish it immediately and other players will be able to find it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.